Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Have another update for you too. Just as you guys know, we're never we never have enough projects or never, I don't know, not changing through something. So have another new car for you today. I've been going out just over the last year and trying to try a bunch of new things, and I had a car that I didn't unfortunately take a video of. I wish I would have. Just didn't end up doing it. Just forgot. Literally forgot. Didn't only had it for 3 months. But I can maybe get into that in another video. Just have a sit down talking video about how I like that car. But yeah, without further ado, I guess I'll go ahead and show you what is behind me here. And if you can't tell, this is I'll go ahead and swap. So might be a little bit difficult to tell. It's got yeah, everything from, it's just off the boat basically. Came through the Port of Baltimore, but yes, it is a R33 GTR. And you also notice that it's not a stock body. That's because it is a Wise Sports wide body kit. There's about 50 or less known to exist. This is one of those cars. It's a very early one. This is a 95. I believe it could have been the demo car, but we're not exactly sure. The demo car was black and had their GTC mirrors on it. This car has that. There's very few cars that have those mirrors that have this kit. But so the kind of history behind this kit is it was made for, you can look it up, Wise Sports and the JGTC, Japan Grand Touring Car Championship, or the GT500, better known as now, racing series. There's a manufacturer called Wise that sponsored one of the cars. They also sponsored a 32, but they made body kits for the race cars, and they took the exact molds minus the inlets on the lower part of the front bumper, and the corners here, they're slightly different on the race car, but everything else is to spec of an actual JGTC race car. It is extremely wide. I mean, very, very wide. And this car is just loaded with some really crazy stuff. We'll get into the interior here. So starting off, it's stock seats, very good condition, front and rear. This car has not been detailed. I literally just got it from the port the other day. But yeah, it's starting off here. It's got some extremely rare stuff. Has a Nismo LCD cluster. It is a real Nismo cluster. A bunch of HKS stuff. It has a HKS boost controller, HKS controller for the center screen there on the Nismo gauges. It shows just a bunch of different readouts up there. Then we have the white Nismo triple meter gauges, some crappy aftermarket single unit, but seats are great shape. I don't think it actually has 112,000 kilometers on it. I think it's actually less. It's extremely clean out here. It's been sitting for many years, so it is very dirty. Runs great though. Again, sorry it's so dirty. I have not paint corrected it or detailed it or done anything with it. Sorry, just it's the third time I've ever opened this, so 1 second. So this is not a Wise Sports hood. I don't exactly know who makes this hood. It's pretty nice, but yeah, actual functional vents. So yeah, has a RB26 as usual. There's no rust. There's like a rust preventative coating. It's crappy. I need to take it off, but no rust on the strut towers. There's so much done to this car. It has a Gretty intercooler, has all HKS piping, HKS inlets, stock turbos, stock injectors, pretty stock cams, pretty stock car. It was originally white. It's a real 95 V-spec. Still has all the V-Spec parts too. But yeah, again, you can see it's so dusty. I mean, inlet's going to get pulled off, repowder coated. Everything up here is going to get pulled off, repowder coated. Might do the piping too, just to make it all look nice. I'd like to dry ice blast everything, just clean everything up. This car was sitting for a long time in Japan, still in great condition, even the headlights. But yeah, it's just crazy car. Has these wheels on it. They're not actually wide. They have some spacers, but they're not that wide. I think the car only has 255s on it. But yeah, I got the Brembos, the original Brembos. It's a really odd and probably really rare AB Flug exhaust. It's kind of hard to say. You can see the Flug there. But it has an AB Flug exhaust. This is actually a Nismo wing. A factory optional Nismo really tall wing. Extremely rare. I'll probably get rid of that though. I like the regular just base wing more, honestly. This thing is huge. It looks cool. It's just not exactly my style. It actually works with a kit pretty well, but again, not my style. So yeah, that's just a quick overview of the car. It's another chin, and don't know how long it'll be around for, at least next summer. Might sell it next year, who knows. I don't know. It depends how much I like the car, but it's set up for what we want to do with it. I'd like to take it to the track a couple times, and it has Öhlins coilovers on it, and it's set up very well. Suspension's also very nice everywhere else too, so a lot of potential there. We'll see how I actually end up liking it, and that'll pretty much determine how long I end up keeping it. But yeah, we'll have to get Jonah back on one of the videos coming up. We're still great buddies, just very busy people and pretty far away from each other, so yeah, time is very limited. But thank you guys again for watching, and yeah, that's the new Nissan GTR. That's going to be added to the collection temporarily, maybe long term, we'll see. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully we'll have more updates soon. I'll try to get maybe a driving video or a video of it once it's cleaned up, or maybe doing some maintenance, because this thing needs just a lot. But I'll do something like that. Not too sure what else I'll have for you guys, but yeah, I'll say it again one last time, Midwest goodbye. But thanks again for watching, guys, and supporting the channel. The more views, likes, comments, anything. We're not making money on this. We're just doing it for fun, but we like seeing the engagement and seeing people hype for our stuff. So appreciate it as always, and stay tuned for our next one. Thanks.